Hey, I'm Michael. I'm VP of Product at Mobbox, and I'm also a Cuban salsa dancer for over 15 years. And this is how I PM. Did you ever have the feeling that you don't know why you're doing certain features or why your backlog has so many items and you don't really know how to prioritize them? Maybe it's because it's not clear what goal you're trying to achieve or which metrics you're trying to improve. So I give you the tip to think about your metrics, your Lighthouse metrics, and also your North Star metrics, and set goals that you want to achieve. Tell your team about your mission and it becomes their mission. Tell them how the future will look like for this product and what goal you have, and let them figure out how they can make it happen. This way, the team will feel like they have a big problem to solve, which they always love to do, and you will have set a purpose for the team and for the company, and everybody knows where it's going. So this way, teams are aligned more automatically and communication happens more naturally around the goals that have to be achieved. Be sure to set your goals not too realistically. Try to be a bit above average so that you're really pushing it. Who knows, you might just hit it.